You can see it, the life you want. So clearly, it almost feels real. The work you'll make, the person you'll become, the moment it all finally clicks. And then you actually have to open the laptop. And you don't. You check your phone instead. You tell yourself, tomorrow. And tomorrow, you tell yourself the same thing. Here's the part that eats at you. You know you're capable of more. You can feel it. You just can't seem to move. And you know the loop by heart. You wake up sure that today is the day. Then the phone. Then a few minutes that quietly become an hour. You'll start after lunch. Lunch passes. You're tired now, so tomorrow, when you have more energy. And at night, you lie there, disappointed in yourself, promising the same thing you promised the night before. Months of this, maybe years, with a quiet fear underneath it, that maybe you'll always be like this. Everyone's told you the same explanation. You're lazy, you lack discipline, you just need to want it more. Sweep all of that away, because it's wrong, and it's keeping you stuck. What you call laziness isn't a character flaw. It's a 2-million-year-old survival feature running exactly as designed. And once you see how it actually works, you get the one thing willpower never gave you: leverage. Start with the fact your ancestors could not ignore. Calories were scarce, food was never guaranteed, and every scrap of effort you burned could be the effort you didn't have when a real emergency showed up. So your brain evolved a rule, buried far below thinking. Don't spend energy you don't have to. The human who chased every far-off antelope and lost, burned out and died. The human who conserved, who waited for the sure thing, survived and had children. You are the descendant of the ones who were, by design, a little lazy. That software is still installed, and it can't tell the difference between a doomed hunt and a hard project. It just reads the situation, high effort, uncertain payoff, and it does the thing that kept your bloodline alive. It stops you. Then it offers a trade. Effort feels like cost, so your brain hands you something that feels like a win for free. A scroll, a video, a quick hit of dopamine. The discomfort lifts, and your brain quietly files the lesson. Avoiding the goal feels good. Do that again. This isn't weakness. It's your reward system doing its job with terrible aim. And here's the cruel twist for ambitious people specifically. Your imagination is too good. When you picture the finished thing in vivid detail, the success, the applause, the version of you who made it, your brain gives you a real taste of that reward. It feels a little like you've already done it, so the pressure to actually do it drops. You get the high of the dream without paying for the work. Which means the more brightly you imagine your future, the less your brain feels any need to build it. That's why the biggest dreamers are so often the most stuck. It isn't a coincidence. It's the same machine. And perfectionism is the last trick it plays. Waiting for the perfect plan, the right moment, a little more research. That's not high standards. That's fear in a nicer suit. Because if you never really start, you never really fail, and the fantasy stays safe. So look at what's actually happening. The exact wiring that once protected your ancestor from wasting their last calories is now protecting you from opening a document. Same alarm, same don't bother. Wrong century. The caveman is still in there, doing metabolic math on your dreams. And right now, he's winning. Here's how you take the leverage back. You cannot delete this software. Stop trying to out-willpower 2 million years of evolution. You'll lose. What you can do is patch it. First, go under the alarm. Your brain flags big, uncertain effort as a threat. So make the effort too small to trip the alarm. Not write the book, 2 sentences. Not get in shape, put on the shoes. Shrink the task until it's smaller than your resistance. The point isn't the 2 sentences. It's teaching your brain that effort didn't kill you. Do that enough times, and the alarm gets quieter. Second, act before you feel like it. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings are weather. You are never going to wake up bursting to do the hard thing. The people you admire don't feel like it more than you. They just stopped waiting to. Third, design the room, not the willpower. If the phone is in reach, you'll grab it. That's not a moral failing, it's proximity. Put it in another room. Close the tabs. Every distraction you remove is a decision you no longer have to win. You don't become more disciplined, you just become harder to derail. And one last thing you won't want to hear. Stop watching videos about changing. Yes, including this one. Learning about action feels like action. It isn't. It's the same avoidance in a smarter costume. And when you slip, and you will, drop the guilt. That nightly ritual of lying there hating yourself does not motivate you. It just teaches your brain that trying leads to pain, which makes tomorrow's alarm louder, not quieter. Missed a day? Fine. The program isn't personal, and neither is the reset. You don't need to punish yourself back into action. You just need to do one small thing now, and let that be the apology. So here's what to actually hold on to. You are not lazy. Lazy is not who you are. It's a program running who you are. And a program can be rewritten. One action too small to fail at a time. Your ancestors survived by conserving. You'll succeed by spending a little on purpose today. The version of you that actually does the thing isn't waiting for motivation. He's waiting for you to start. So when this ends, close it and go do one small thing. Then come back, because the same ancient software that makes you lazy also decides what you fear, what you crave, and who you fall for. We're going to sweep through all of it.